back to Stocks Technical India. In today's video, we will discuss the upcoming trade setup on Nifty for swing and positional and intraday, and Bank Nifty for positional swing trading. I will explain the demand zone, liquidity traps, and how to manage your stop loss so that you can protect your capital and ride the big moves. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Nifty for intraday and swing trading. So here's the simple but powerful strategy. If the first 15-minute candle is green, then we will look for the buy side trade. अगर निफ्टी कल फ्लैट खुल के यहाँ से कोई 15-minute कैंडल बना देता है, then we look for buy side trade and our stop loss will be placed below 24,450. The target will be kept at 1:3 risk reward ratio, which means if we risk 70 points, then our target will be 210 points. And now while 24,450, then अगर मैं यहाँ पर देखो एक डिमांड जोन बन रहा है 24,450 के करीब. This is the Nifty demand area. So this level is acting as a demand zone as well as liquidity zone. Many traders keep their stop loss just below this point. यहाँ पर. So market makers are very smart. They often create wick below the demand zone to harm the liquidity. यहाँ से अगर आकर स्टॉप लॉस हिट करके फिर यहाँ से कैंडल को इस तरह का बना देता है. So once stops are triggered, the price usually continues the upside momentum. That is why we should not keep the stop loss exact 24,450. As a safer plan is to keep it slightly below, maybe around 24,420. मान लो इस यहाँ पर, to avoid getting trapped in the stop one. So in summary, first 15-minute candle green, उसके बाद buy above 24,450, stop loss below 24,420, target entry plus 3 times of stop loss distance. This gives us a safe intraday and positional trading plan with proper risk management. And let's move to Bank Nifty. अगर हम Bank Nifty को देखें यहाँ पर, so when we are seeing Bank Nifty, a very interesting setup on the weekly time frame. अगर यहाँ पर हम weekly time frame को देखें, 53,500 ये लेवल, 53,500 is a major demand zone and also liquidity zone. Price has reacted strongly from this area in the past and this time also. It's look like best buy zone for positional trader. So अगर बैंक निफ्टी को जब यहाँ पर आएगा तो एक बार तो बाई करना ही चाहिए इस लेवल पर बैंक निफ्टी को. सो बाई जोन एरिया 53,500 के करीब. स्टॉप लॉस हम समझ लो अगर यहाँ पर 1 डे का टाइम लगा लेते हैं तो स्टॉप लॉस यहाँ पर 53,000 के करीब हमारा स्टॉप लॉस रहेगा. So buy zone around 53,500, stop loss near 53,000 and target 55,500 के करीब. मतलब यहाँ तक हमारा टारगेट रहेगा 55,500 का, more about 2,000 points. So risk reward excellent 1:4. But here is important logic. Whenever we see such zones on the weekly chart, the market often hunts stop loss fast. So if Bank Nifty dips slightly below 53,500, don't panic. That's a just liquidity sweep. हो सकता है ऐसे आकर फिर ऐसे करके Bank Nifty ऊपर जाए. So that's just a liquidity sweep. As long as the price does not break below 53,000, this level, on closing basis, the demand zone is still valid. This is where patience separates positional traders from intraday traders. A false breakdown followed by strong buying is a very common pattern at weekly demand zone. So if you are carrying positionals long, keep your stop loss only below 53,000 and hold for the big upside target 55,500. तो अगर बैंक निफ्टी यहाँ से आकर टच करके ऊपर जाता है और यहाँ तक आते हैं तो यहाँ पर एक बाई सेटअप इनिशिएट करना चाहिए स्टॉप लॉस 53,000 के करीब. मान लो कल यहाँ तक आया और एक 30 मिनट और 1 आवर का कैंडल वेट करके 1 आवर का कैंडल जब क्लोज होगा 1 आवर, तब हम एंट्री यहाँ पर ले सकते हैं और हमारा स्टॉप लॉस 53,000 के नीचे होगा एंड टारगेट विल बी 55,500. So trader, that's the plan for the coming session. Follow the first 15-minute strategy with demand zone awareness and bank nifty positional focus on 53,500 as the liquidity demand zone with a risk 1:4 setup. Always remember, risk management is the key. Don't just enter blindly. Let the levels and price action confirm before taking the position. And if you found this analysis helpful, do like the video, share it with your trading friends and subscribe to the channel for more such educational and actionable content. Thank you for watching. Trade safe, and I will see you in the next video.